News reports show that in late May 2023, a New York native motorcyclist was operating his motorcycle on Maryland Route 22 in Bel Air, Maryland, and ended up getting into a collision with a car, and it wasn't the motorcyclist's fault. The news reports show that while the motorcyclist was driving on the main road, Maryland Route 22, a Chrysler driving in the opposite direction failed to yield the right-of-way when the Chrysler tried to make a left turn onto Shooks Road and caused the motor vehicles to collide, which unfortunately resulted in the motorcyclist's death. What's important here is that the Chrysler had to yield the right-of-way when trying to make that left turn. Now, the Chrysler's insurance company will argue that, well, maybe the motorcyclist was inattentive, maybe he was speeding, maybe he didn't have his helmet on, a plethora of different ways that the Chrysler's insurance company will try to deny liability. However, it's critical that the family members of the motorcyclist immediately consult an experienced personal injury lawyer. Why? They have a valid wrongful death personal injury claim arising out of this motorcycle accident. And the Chrysler's insurance company, knowing this, they're going to fight tooth and nail and try to poke holes and try to figure out a way to show that the motorcyclist, in fact, contributed to this accident. If you or a loved one know somebody who was injured in a motorcycle accident and wants to bring a personal injury claim against the at-fault driver, feel free to call me. I do this every single day, and I'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.